gone. And we're about to send the phone lines back into another orbit when I talk to you about Mini Loaf Pans from Temp-tations, and they're under 20 bucks. Already today, 4,700 ordered today. Tesher is back with us. Mwah. Now, you know what? It is November 3rd. Not only is it 9 days until my birthday.
I heard.
But it is also in the thick of holiday shopping, and we are loaded up with great gift ideas.
We are.
Today. But you need to know that this is something very special. Tara, you brought us 4 stoneware mini loaf pans.
Yes.
With the plastic storage covers and gift boxes. For $19 and change.
It's incredible.
It's an amazing deal.
Yes.
Let me tell you also, because almost every item on air and online today is 5 or more easy pays. This is 5 payments of $4 each. What?
Love that.
Come on now.
Okay.
So talk to us about these.
Yeah, so we love to call these our mini makers, our mini bakers, and our mini takers. 12-ounce total capacity. We debuted these this time last year. You love them. We only had them available in the holiday, which we, of course, brought back that returning favorite. So there are your whimsy characters, your snowman and your penguin, of course, with your cute gingerbread. Underneath there is going to be your poinsettia, that traditional detail of the old world and floral lace that you love so much, followed by your holiday. Your holiday is that Christmas tree scene with the Christmas tree on the front and the back and inside as well. And then last but not least, David, your festive fetty at the very bottom. 4 individual gifts, 4 individual gift boxes, already with the bow, already with the to and from, ready to gift, hand-painted and hand-applied accents in this beautiful stoneware.
Now, this holiday choice is already the most popular. I also have it in plaid.
Oh, love the plaid.
Plaid is most limited, so I would not wait here. You're getting a beautiful autumnal plaid, a Christmas plaid, a 4th of July plaid, and what I would probably call a springtime plaid.
Or an everyday kind of plaid.
Yeah, sure. And then finally, if you're seeing spots, that's by design. These are your polka dot. And in the polka dot, you're getting the purple, this beautiful teal blue,
love
gray.
The gray.
And then you seldom see any Temp-tations in pink.
You're right.
This is one of the rare occasions when you're going to see some Temp-tations in pink. I would not wait on this. Let me just do what I do on Thursday nights, have a little down-home moment with you. You're about to get a lot of DB in the TV. Bring that camera on in. What we're going to talk about is 4 gifts with gift boxes for under 20 bucks. This is something you need not think too long about. Just get what you need and get it while the getting is good, because 300 of these are already gone. 5,000 for the day. All 4 of these stoneware bakers. Remember, these are stoneware, not plastic. This is stoneware. And you're getting the beautiful lids and the matching boxes. Everything rolls together for a great opportunity. And a lot of folks are picking up more than one set. Remember, when you use your credit card today, you've got 5 easy payments of only $4 each. Tara, what's so nice about these sizes is that they're great for entertaining or individual portions.
Exactly.
Dinner for 2.
Yes. Exactly what you're talking about. 12 ounces is the perfect personal size, but as David just mentioned, whether you're doing hot dips, whether you're doing cold dips, whether you're baking breads in here, it's still that same stoneware that you've loved, that you've been collecting from Temp-tations. So here we did a beautiful taco mac and cheese that we paired perfectly with our Mexican meatloaf.
That doesn't sound good at all.
No, and it doesn't smell good either.
No, I don't think I could. I probably couldn't eat more than about 7 cups of
Exactly.
Yep,
and David, we baked, of course, a mini meatloaf in here. But when we talk about mini, you could easily slice this into 4 separate pieces. And now, of course, because it's that stoneware, nothing's going to stick inside here, and you've made a personal meal. Whether it's your mac and cheese, whether it's your meatloaf, whether it's your jalapeno bread, whether you're baking inside here, take that KitchenAid hand mixer, mix right in here, bake right in here, serve right in here. You could actually put this in a little cello, attach the recipe card. We have this recipe on our website, temptations.com, and gift that as a gift. That makes a really thoughtful gift.
And it's full of all your home-baked Christmas treats, right? Now, where do you find this cello paper? Craft store.
Yes.
And you buy it in rolls like wrapping paper. Now, let me encourage everybody to act quickly on this, because how many gone now, Sean? 6,000 for the day, and in this show, 1,300 are gone.
Thank you, everybody.
The most popular choice, Tara,
so stinking cute,
is holiday.
Yes.
With the whimsical characters, the poinsettia, the festive fetty,
and the holiday.
The holiday.
So all of your favorites, the patterns you've been collecting for over the 17 years. This is only the 2nd year we've ever done anything like this. And we know that you love maybe picking this set up for yourself and then gifting, of course, your plaids, breaking them up for the people that you love. David just mentioned $5 a gift. Think about that for hand-painted stoneware, hand-applied accents, storage covers, gift box. We tried to take all of the headache out of gift giving and do it for you. Polka dots a perfect way to gift because there's your teal and your purple, the gray, and as David mentioned, your pink. So polka dots is something we always get asked to bring. I love that we included them in our mini loaves here as well.
We are very, very busy, and 6,500 now ordered for the day and 1,800 in this show. Let me encourage you to remember that QVC.com and mobile apps. Best way to get through right now, we're going to welcome Bernadette in Florida.
Oh,
Hi,
perfect.
Bernadette.
Hi, David. Hi, Tara.
Hi, Bernadette.
Hi there. Welcome on into In the Kitchen with David on this Sunday. What do you think of the set of 4 mini bakers?
I love it. I love it. I love the way it cleans. And I got the holiday pattern
Perfect.
because I get them as gifts, but I get them for my daughter-in-laws.
Very
And
nice.
because I feel that you never get yourself as newlyweds, expand on your sets like for the holidays. So every year I like to get them a little something that they can expand on their entertaining.
Oh, I love, Bernadette, that you've made Temptations a tradition for all of them. That's so
yeah,
sweet.
and for birthdays, we just got the fall platters that you had out. Yeah, I got one for my daughter and one for myself. So
Oh, perfect.
I just enjoy them immensely.
Oh, thank you, Bernadette, very, very much.
That is perfect. Well, Bernadette, I know they're going to love these new bakers. We'll get the holiday set right out to you, but stick around because we've got Printables apples around the corner. Jeffrey Zakarian is here. We've got a lot going on in 4 big hours of In the Kitchen with David today, okay?
Thank you.
Thanks,
You're
Bernadette.
welcome, sweetie. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
So $7,700 for the day.
Okay.
$3,000 in this show. Now this is your holiday collection that Bernadette just picked up. Winter Whimsy, Poinsettia, Holiday, and Festifetti. Remember, you will get a gift box with each of these and also their plastic storage covers. Now this collection is called Plaid, and you're getting one for really every season of the year.
Yes.
Here, this is the most limited. Here's autumn, Christmas, summer, 4th of July,
And every day.
and then an everyday plaid.
And we
This-
will not be getting any more of these back in, David.
It's very
this year.
reminiscent of confetti.
Yes, it is.
Yes, it is. And then polka dot. Now, you don't see much polka dot from Temptations, and you almost never see pink. So if you love this polka dot set, I would encourage you to grab it, grab a couple sets of it, because these would also make great springtime gifts as well, if you want to think ahead to some of your springtime
And that's why
holidays.
we did a generic gift box so that when you're thinking about gifting these all year round, so whether you're doing your meatloafs and you're doing your individual portions, here's what a viewer had told us they're going to do with it, and I love this idea.
Yeah.
Use it on your holiday table and maybe put gravy and not have to pass it from one end to the other. You can microwave these, of course, so you can keep that gravy nice and warm. There's your relish, your cold things cold, your hot things hot. But then we talk about centertaining here at Temptations, and centertaining is about doing something that you wouldn't naturally think you could do with a baking piece. So making it as a centerpiece there with your candles. We did some crushed up candy cane. Look how we used it for flower arrangements. You could literally put 4 of these down the center of your table and have a beautiful landscape of flowers. We did a little succulent garden. So again, when you're thinking about gifting these, maybe this person doesn't love to bake, but they love to entertain, and you could see this fitting in their life. I think when you think about breaking them apart and adding something special in it, David, whether it's a gift card,
Right.
whether it's something you've made, you've now personalized a $5 gift and made it even more special.
9,100 ordered for the day, 4,500 in this show, and I'm going to remind you that this is on 5 easy payments, but you should know that the price goes up at the end of the day and the easy pay goes away. So we are already over 4,500 ordered in this show, just in the first 13 minutes of the show. Not even. We haven't been at it that long. And you should know that this price and its easy pay will go away at end of day today, unless, of course, yours sells out before then.
Yes.
So if there's a choice you need, or choices, because most folks here are buying more than one set, this is your opportunity, and I would encourage you to grab that easy pay now while the getting is good. There is no reorder coming in on these before Christmas.
That is correct.
Yeah.
What we have is what we have.
So now is your time.
All right, so we talked about a lot of hot things. I'm just going to run over here because I want to finish out what David was saying, which was think about using these not only for portion control, but for your meals. So whether you're doing hot dips, whether you're doing cold dips, whether you're doing guacamole, look what we did here. We made a mini meatloaf. We made a beautiful bread here. We did a taco mac and cheese, and then we did a cold guacamole. So there you can see how you can use these pieces not only to make your spice breads, your pumpkin breads, all of your holiday breads, but you will use these pieces day in and day out because it's all about portion control. 12 ounces, great capacity. Snap-on storage cover allows you to have any leftovers, prepare ahead of time. Look at how easy this is, David, to not only gift and create, but then also to tuck away. They're dishwasher safe. They go in the oven up to 500 degrees. You can put them in the microwave, and of course they go in the fridge and the freezer.
We are wackadoodle crazy now. Over 10,000 ordered for the day. In this show, 5,700 are gone. The first choice is called Holiday, and here you're getting the whimsy, the poinsettia, the holiday, and that beautiful festive finish.
And I just have to brag on the interiors. Of course, you have all of that holiday charm, whether it's your gingerbread character. The holiday has that beautiful tree scene with the cardinal, of course. So these are truly what started it all this time last year, just in holiday. 4 individual gifts, 4 great gift boxes, and so many great ideas to do with it.
Now, most limited of our 3 choices, Tara, is plaid.
Love the plaid.
Please don't wait
Brand
on this
new.
plaid.
By the way, not to interrupt you, you said, would we ever work on any bakers? We're working on some bakers in that plaid for you.
Are you?
Yes.
In the autumn plaid?
Yes, and the holiday plaid.
Yes.
Stay tuned.
Oh, those are going to be awesome, you guys. I'm
Sorry.
so tickled about that.
I had to tell you.
Now, this is the most limited. So please don't wait here. You're getting autumn, Christmas, 4th of July, and an everyday, which is very reminiscent of your confetti colors.
Yes.
And then finally, something you almost never see anymore from Temptations is polka dot. And particularly in some of these colors like pink, the gray you almost never see. So these are some great opportunities to buy multiples, tuck them away, because you will get 4 gift boxes. You'll also get the plastic storage covers. And remember, these pieces are stoneware. This is not plastic.
No.
This is the real deal.
It is.
What you need to be aware now is that we've taken orders for the day of 11,300. In this show alone, 6,700. Let me encourage you to stay on the line. Don't dare hang up. Buy as many as you need, because price and easy pay.
I can't. The price going up.
Go
Crazy.
away. End of day today. Exactly. So get yours while the
Can I
getting
show
is
you
good.
one cute idea? We baked 4 cakes and made a little train.
Cute.
Look how cute that is, again, to create those memories of Temptations.
Exactly. And you could keep one and use it 4 times and make a
Yes.
cake, or fill all 4.
Happy
That would be easy.
Friendsgiving.
Hey, right?
Bake you a cake.
Hey, you'll be back later?
Yes,
Mwah.
with some glass storage.
Glass storage.
Yes.
Airtight.
And watertight.
Yep. All right, Stacey Lou has a little update and some teases for you. I'm getting ready for
your next item. All right, welcome everybody. I'm Stacey Stauffer. I want to invite you to